Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox and review this pen. This one is the Cello Dreams fountain pen with the Barbie character on this. So this one I purchased for my niece and I want to gift it to her so that she is introduced to the fountain pens and the characters, they love the characters, so it will be good if we give them a pen with these characters. And if you are starting with some fountain pens, it will be always better you go for these kind of pens than going for the eyedropper model fountain pens, but because they need to be little adjusted compared to these the cartridge models are very easy to handle, and for the beginners it is easy to use. Simply you need to insert the cartridge and start using, compared to the eyedropper models where you need to have the ink bottles, you need to have the eyedroppers or syringe to add the ink, etc. You need to keep checking. In this it is just like filling a refill and using. So this, for beginners, these kind of pens are very good, and once you start enjoying the fountain pens, then you can go for more higher eyedropper fountain pens. So I have been using the Cello models already. I have 2-3 models like the Cello Chota Beam pen. This I have been using since last few months, and it is a really good pen. I have the Cello Exceed. This also is really good. This also I have been using since last few months. Both have given me a lot of pleasure of writing. So now I want to see how this one writes. So let us see what is the price of this. This pen comes in a price of 45 rupees, and we get a fountain pen and 2 cartridges, 2 jumbo cartridges along with it, and there is good graphics of Barbie photo over here. So now let's see how the pen is. It is very easy to just remove the pen. We slide it off and the pen comes out. Now I am not going to use these cartridges because I already have spare cartridges. So I will be inserting them and using, or I will just dip and see how this pen writes. Now this pen you can see has a very beautiful print of Barbie over here. Born to be fabulous, very nice. For girls, especially school going girls, this will be a very nice beginning for beginners, those who are using the fountain pens for the first time. Cello fountain pen. It is totally plastic, total plastic, and the cap is push and pull mechanism. The nib is fine, and Cello is engraved on the nib as well with C. So you can see there is a Cello nib engraved. Yeah, the grip section is totally plastic, and it is a little on the fatter side, but it is good for grip. It is good for grip. This is the barrel, and here we need to insert the cartridge, and we will be able to use. The inserting the cartridge is very simple. We just push the cartridge into it, and then you need to wait for a few seconds till the ink flows through it, and then we can start using it. Now I am not going to add the cartridge into it because I want to gift it to somebody else. So I will just dip and see the pen and how it writes. So in this pen you can also use this kind of cartridge which are available in the market, or you get it with some other kind of pens. So this kind of cartridge can also be used in this. You get 2 cartridges along with it, and you can use it. They will really last for long. They are jumbo cartridges. Suppose those cartridges are finished, you can just buy new cartridges. It is very easy because you get in the market these kind of cartridges, flare cartridges, which are only for 10 rupees. You get 3 cartridges which will work for nearly 1 month for students, I think so. They are sufficient for writing, and they are jumbo cartridges, so can be used. So initially I would suggest that those who are using, go for buying cartridges. Simply 10 rupees you get these kind of 3 cartridges, so very economical. You can use it regularly. But suppose you are interested to go ahead with fountain pens, then you can go for buying ink and all. Like I have purchased, you get Camlin ink or the Brill ink or Penhouse.in ink. You get ink bottles for 20 to 30 rupees or 40 rupees, and then you need to add the ink into the cartridges and reuse the cartridges as well. For reusing the cartridges, adding the ink is a little work. Okay, you can for that buy a syringe, but if not, there is another way. This dropper you will get at the scientific stalls, where you can add the ink from this dropper. This can be easily inserted into the cartridge. Just I will show. This dropper you will get it for 5 rupees, and it is very easy. You just you have a nozzle where you can just add the ink and fill this cartridge. It is very easy. So this kind of dropper you will get in scientific instrument shops, and this is very only for 5 rupees, very reasonable and very easy to use. So this is about how we can use refill the cartridges and use. Now we will go ahead with the pen. Okay, the pen for today is Cello Dreams Barbie fountain pen. And ink which I have used today is Penhouse.in royal blue color. Yeah, the pen is writing pretty smooth, and the flow also is very uniform and fine writing. Let me show you. Yeah, you can see the writing is very smooth. The pen sounds a little scratchy, but it doesn't skip. It is working very fine, writing very smoothly, no very large variations. The pen works smoothly without any break. So let me write the sentence now. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, about the pen. The pen for 45 rupees is very reasonable pen. Let me show you the reverse writing. Yeah, reverse writing is possible, but it is little scratchy. Apart from that, I found the pen very smooth to write, very reasonably priced, with good graphics. Children will love to have such pens, and they will start enjoying the pens once they get a good pen like this. After they experience a bit more with it, they can go for the eyedropper models, because it requires a lot more handling of ink, etc. This has less chances of spilling ink or getting your hands spilled with ink, etc. So this was the review about this pen. I hope this helped in understanding more about this pen, and thanks for watching. I hope the information was useful. Do subscribe to my channel, and if you have enjoyed the video, do share and like the video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.